As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Bighorn Outdoors one and this YIORTWO 4-burner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those. The Bighorn is that tabletop infrared broiler, right? It gets crazy hot.
Yeah, 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. They say it sears steak super fast. It's got 19,000 BTUs. The YIORTWO is more of a traditional grill.
Right. The YIORTWO has 4 burners, totaling 40,000 BTUs, so it's got more overall cooking power, but spread across a larger area. Think burgers and dogs for a crowd.
Exactly. The Bighorn is all about that intense, focused heat. It's smaller though, right? Like dimensions-wise.
Definitely. The Bighorn is 16 DX 21.5 inches WX 15.4 inches H. The YIORTWO is way bigger at 13.3 DX 40.9 inches WX 39.3 inches H. It's a full-size grill with a larger cooking surface of 316 square inches, plus another 135 on the warming rack.
So if I'm mainly searing steaks and smaller stuff, the Bighorn makes sense. But for bigger cookouts, the YIORTWO is the way to go.
Totally. Plus, the YIORTWO has a side burner. The Bighorn does come with a pizza stone, which is cool.
True, that's a nice touch. Both are stainless steel, so hopefully they're durable. What about the reviews?
The Bighorn has way more reviews, like 581 with a 4.6 rating. People seem to love how quickly it heats up and sears. The YIORTWO is newer, only 64 reviews, but a decent 4.3 rating. People mention it's easy to assemble and clean.
Okay, good to know. Price-wise, the Bighorn is cheaper, around $199 right now. The YIORTWO is about $270.
Yeah, so it really boils down to what you're cooking and how often. If you want that steakhouse sear and don't need a ton of space, the Bighorn is a good deal. If you need a bigger grill with more burners for family dinners, the YIORTWO is the better option, even with the higher price.
Makes sense. Thanks for breaking it down.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.